Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the monthly chart of DURECT Corporation. Now, if you are looking at this particular chart, what you can see is there are lots of noise because you have a fairly long-term chart, as you can see over here. So since 2000, so this we have 2021 years worth of data. So it's a very big and detailed chart, but we have lots of noise. As you can see this complete section, we have lots of noise over here. So but in between the noise, if you can clear your vision and hold this stock, by looking at this particular level, you will see some kind of sanity in the trend, and there are some levels which, if the stock hold, definitely gives momentum on the upside going forward, or if you are holding this chart for a particular amount of time. Now, what you can see over here is this level, which is 1.24, and that will be your immediate support, and you have $1 as your stop loss. Now don't go below $1, although you have couple of levels to look at below $1, like 71 cents, then you have 47 or 48 cents, but better not to go below a dollar. This is the best thing what one can do over here. And there is one more level. If the stock started trading above this level, it will be much more beneficial because it will boost the confidence. So 1.41 is now become your next or immediate target that you need to look at going forward. So this is how you are going to look and focus on the trend. So you have two levels to look at on the downside, and don't go below $1, and the initials will start with 1.41. now if you are looking at the upper end of the range, there are a couple of levels, because there are lots of noise which you can find in this chart, but there are a couple of levels that you can probably look here over a period of time. So it will start with 2.19 as your first target, then you have 2.61. Beyond 2.61, you have two more levels to look at. You have 3.45 and you have 3.78, or let's say $3.8. Okay, now these are your next set of targets which you have to look at. Now, if the stock started trading and sustaining above $3.8, in that case, what we have here beyond 3.8, what we have here is something like this. So if you just stretch your chart, then you can see further levels will open up beyond 3.8, and the range that we are talking about will start with 5.63 and can go up to 6.97, and here we are $7.5 on the upside. So this is how we are looking at this particular chart, because if we just cut out the noise below a dollar, then you can see the chart is overall flat, and if it continues to sustain above $1 and more respectively above 1.24, or once it started sustaining above 1.41, the probability of moving higher will increase, and these are couple of levels which we are looking at. Now the interesting thing here is this: we are not going or moving beyond 7.5 or 7.6, and there is a reason behind it, because the stock has been in a range where 7.5 is the high that the stock has seen in between 2005 and 2007. So until and unless this level crossed, we can't move forward. But let me tell you one more thing, that once the stock started sustaining above 7.5 or 6 after the breakout, it will be a start of a new and fresh trend. So we have to reanalyze it. That will be a big breakout, but for the time being, what we have here is $1 on the downside and 7.5 7.6 on the upside. Meanwhile, you will find lots of levels to look at, which you or one should consider in a serious manner. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.